This is Caltech Engineering Services Brussels Test Kit, a complete kit as per ISO 8502-6 and 8502-9 and NACE SP 0508 standard. The kit include the conductivity meter, deionized water, Brussels patches, injections or syringe, conductivity standard solutions and a beaker. The testing is very easy and very user friendly. This is the conductivity meter. Once you switch on the instrument, it will come to 0. The conductivity meter is now ready for testing. Put the deionized water into the measuring electrode. And look out the reading and the conductivity meter. Note this reading 2 as an initial reading. This is a Brussels patch. You can see the yellow circle inside that. Just take out the yellow patch from that like this and apply the Brussels onto the blasted surface. You can press the Brussels patch like this. Press it from the all side equally so that the Brussels patch is completely adhered to the surface. Take the deionized water into the syringe and put into the Brussels patch. Put the syringe at an angle of 30 degrees. Insert from the foam and allow the water to go slowly to occupy the complete Brussels patch area. The complete area, once it is covered, the solution will be 2.5 ml. After about 1 minute, take out the injected water back into the syringe and repeat the procedure for 10 times. Insert with the help of syringe the extracted water and check the reading. The reading is 13. Once the smile comes, it becomes the final reading. Final reading and initially taken reading as 2. Subtract them. That will give the subtraction value as 11 microsiemens per cm. The subtracted value is nothing but soluble salts in terms of microgram per cm square or a ppm. When you multiply this value by 0.6, it will give the amount of chloride present on the surface. Thank you.